Hello everyone, my name is Nikita, and in today's topic we are going to discuss about the topic CDM basics, that is clinical data management basics. Firstly, CDM is consistently being recognized as a primary part of clinical development team and in some instances lead this team. Importance of the clinical data management. CDM is a vital vehicle in clinical trial to ensure integrity and quality of data being transferred from trial subject to a database system, to provide the consistent, accurate and valid clinical data, to support the accuracy of final conclusion and report. Clinical data management. Clinical data management refers to the management of data capture and data flow processes in conduct of clinical research. It begins with a design of data capture instrument and data collection, continues with a data quality control procedures to assure the quality of all aspects of the processes, and ends with the database finalization. Objective of the CDM: to ensure that collected data is complete and accurate so that results are correct, that trial database is complete and accurate and a true representation of what took place in the trial, that trial database is sufficiently clean to support the statistical analysis and its subsequent presentation and the interpretation. Then CDM process, CRF development and tracking. CRF completion guideline is printed as a part of CRF. Training sessions are conducted for investigator and during the study initiation meetings. Receipt and tracking of CRF. Tracking process encompasses of verification of arrival date and its acknowledgement and its process through process. Login, scan, image review, data entry and verification. Then CRF scanning, report, electronic scanning and paper scanning. CRF are scanned soon after the receipt in CRF tracking system, archive electronically are as backup into the image database by design CDC. Then benefit: effortless access to the CRF image. It provides a single source for the most up-to-date copy of CRF, ensures that original entries were not overwritten during the clinical CRF data review. Then EDC process, developed ECRF along with the monitoring, statistics, regulatory affairs and the medical terms, ensures the collection of safety data, user-friendly screens, flexibility of the data entry, validation procedures, query management tools, audit trials, data transfers, integration of the laboratory and the other non-CFR data. Data storage, backup copies to be taken frequently, paper documents should be scanned and electronically archived. Database design, specification, raw data, audit trial, original study documents, procedural validation documentation, database closure, site copies of the data, final data, SAS transport, CDISC and CDM model. External data, vendor specific training, vendor audit, data clarification process, utilize standards such as CDISC, data editing and verification procedures, file formats, data transmission, database updates and data storage and the archiving. Then coding, autoencoder, dictionaries, process for the changes in dictionary or the version, same version to be used for the combined studies training, process for submitting changes to the dictionaries. Then data dictionaries, MEDRA, an international conference on harmonization initiative, is a standard dictionary of the medical terminology. WHO art, drugs, WHO adverse reaction terminology, ICD, FDA cost art, coding symbol for the triages of the adverse reaction terms. Data cleaning, purpose, characteristics and complexity of the study. Critical variables includes the primary and secondary safety and efficacy. Then subject identifiers, documentation procedures, guidelines, working practices and references. Testing the process, CRF completion, data entry instruction, timeline for the data entry, running data checks and replicating data. Quality control plan. Then image review, a pre-entry review. CRF image, also known as a working copy of CRF, is reviewed for the accuracy, completeness and consistency of data. Any queries or the discrepancy identified during the image review are annotated. Then problems with eligibility, incorrectly completed fields, missing data and the scientifically invalid or the obviously inconsistent data. Data review, clinical data review by the designated medical reviewer, ensure the complex medical data are reviewed and assessed to detect any clinical maneuvers in data. Data query. A query is raised when a discrepancy or an inconsistency is noted or are not noted during the image review and during the computer edit check. Thank you.